ang buong family ay magluluto ng what we're gonna cook, kids?
Rice Krispie Treats.
Rice Krispie Treats. So, gagawa tayo ng Rice Krispie Square.
It'll look like a marshmallow.
So, ayan guys, umpisahan na natin ang paggawa ng Rice Krispie Treats. Let's go! Guys, yung ating 3 tablespoon na butter. And
Butter.
what? The heat high or low?
Medium.
Medium, low.
What is that? Oh!
Whoop.
That was loud.
Yeah.
I want to watch it melt.
So, susunod na natin ang marshmallow, guys.
Marshmallow.
Okay. That's good for now.
Okay.
So, ayan na, guys. So, tunawin na natin at
Oh.
tutunawin na natin ang ating marshmallow.
And there are marshmallows. Oh, this.
Ayan, guys. Sinama na lang namin lahat yung marshmallow na 10. How many pounds is that one, Lam?
16 ounces.
1 pound of marshmallow.
Oh?
Yeah, slowly daw. Okay, dahil ano na siya, guys. Tunaw na ang ating marshmallow. See.
That's enough.
Hold on.
Oopsies, I'm sorry.
You hear them snap, crackle, and pop up in there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little bit more.
Little bit more. A little bit more. No. Daddy, you pull.
Yeah, I'm thinking of it.
Pour it slowly, Sadie. There you go. A little bit more, Daddy.
Heat.
Oh, a little bit more, Dad. Over here, Sadie.
That's probably good.
Okay, get ready our pan. I think we need more marshmallow, Daddy.
Well, I know you put too much Rice Krispies in there.
Yeah, I think we need more marshmallow.
It's too late now.
Yeah, it will melt still.
No. Just make it the way you got it. Next time you know better. I'm filming the whole time.
Okay. Ready?
Pour it in the pan.
I guess we're to turn off the stove.
Okay. Turn up the...
That looks really good. Cereal. Looks like a cobweb, Mom.
I know. A little bit look like it, huh? Oh, it's hot. What's hot?
Spread it out.
See, it looks like a cobweb.
Yeah, I think we need more marshmallow though.
Hey, it looks nice though. I think it's gonna stick.
Mm-hmm.
So, ito na guys, ang ating Rice Krispie Square. So, ito na guys, ang ating Rice Krispie Square. Hiwa-hiwain ng squares. So, yan lang. Ganyan lang kadali guys paggawa ng Rice Krispie Square.
Yeah, we gotta put it.